Hey, this is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. Make sure you watch today's videos, all of my videos, but today we're going to have something that I want to really dive into that I'm seeing with court summons. One is where they're making individuals produce their bank statements, not for just one account, all bank statements that they had. And I'm going to tell you the reason why they want you to do that. And then number two, if there is, I'm going to show you a way that you can actually kind of in a way force a debt collector to dismiss their lawsuit. You'll be surprised when you find out this. It's like a little technique to back them into a corner. All right, this is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We have great information about financing, about finances, credit repair, and getting out of debt. Thank you.